The 9:30 a.m., God morgen, Copenhagen. If you're feeling fresh this morning, consider renting a bike from your hotel, or use one of the city's handy app-based rentals and craft a DIY pastry crawl. Start with a cardamom bun at Juno the Bakery, ride to Hart Bageri for Danish rye bread, and end at Democratic Coffee for their famous almond croissant. If you end at Democratic Coffee, you'll be right by the Round Tower, the geographical center of Copenhagen. If you'd rather sit down for breakfast, head to Atelier September for small batch Swedish coffee and avocado toast, or track down the savory French toast at Mirabelle Bakery. The 11 a.m., it's shopping time. From minimalist and modern design, hip homewares, and everything from beauty to raincoats, here is where to go for souvenirs and beyond. Hay House is known for its contemporary Danish design and homeware, and its two-story showroom has a bird's-eye view of the charming Amagertorv Square. From Hay House, stop by Georg Jensen for home goods and jewelry loved by the Danish royal family, and step into the Royal Copenhagen flagship store for fine plates and porcelain goods. Don't miss Illum, the city's oldest department store dating back to 1891. It's the kind of place you could spend half a day exploring everything from fashion to furniture. Randers Handsker has been making buttersoft leather gloves since the 1800s, and Conditori La Glace sells worthy Danish butter cookies and ready-to-gift tins, or linger longer for high tea. Bloom & Bloom sells natural and organic beauty products loved by locals. And Ries, which stands for Respect Resources, is home to responsibly sourced homewares, clothing for men and women, and products from local artisans. If you've found yourself admiring the dishes used at restaurants around town, they probably came from MK Studio. If you'd prefer to wander without much of a plan, Georgsbrigade 27 is a cooler than cool street with local shops and wine bars, and it's right near Assistens Cemetery, which has a beautiful garden and is the final resting spot for Hans Christian Andersen and other famous Danes. When hunger strikes, consider popping over to Poppel Burger to try Noma's fermentation on the cheap, or try the Butter Burger at Gasoline Grill. The original location is in a gas station, but there are a few spots around town.